Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy Gua Sha facial routine that you can do at home. Let's get started. Cleanse and moisturize. First, make sure your face is clean. Use your favorite cleanser, then apply a bit of facial oil or moisturizer. This helps the tool glide smoothly on your skin. Gua Sha strokes. Start at your neck, using upward strokes. Move to your jawline, then cheeks, being gentle around your eyes. Don't forget your brows and forehead. Always use a gentle, upward motion. Finish strong. Finish off by going back to your neck. These upward strokes promote circulation and help you feel refreshed. And there you have it. A quick and relaxing Gua Sha facial. Remember, be gentle, and don't rush. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips. See you next time.